films while we're in lockdown. Today I'm going to show you Alexander's. So this is Alexander's. This is one of the Umbellifer or Apiaceae family. This plant came over with the Romans, and it was a really popular herb and vegetable up until about the 16th century. Everybody grew it in their gardens, everyone in the whole of Europe ate it, and it just started to go out of fashion when celery was introduced. But it's incredibly abundant in Cornwall. In fact, most coastal places we get this totally dominating our hedges at this time of year. So it's an incredible resource. We can use nearly every bit of this plant. Okay, so this is sort of stage I like to eat Alexander's. Can you see the flower bud? Oh, it's just forming here, but it's not completely open. That's just budding. So what I do is I chop the buds off like that, and so I'll actually cook the whole bud with the leaves around it, and I'll blanch them in boiling salted water for about a minute, then take them out, pat them dry in a tea towel, and then hot griddle them with some olive oil, salt, and maybe a bit of chilli or black pepper, and then serve that as a vegetable. And when the flower buds are just forming, the stems can be incredibly succulent. If you have a look at that stem, it's solid and it's white, and it's really quite succulent. And you tend to find before the plant has completely flowered, the stems are really at their best for eating as a vegetable. And then I'll peel the stem. You have a look, it's quite fibrous on the outer layers of the stem. Peel it right back until I've got rid of all the fibrous outer layers, because it can be quite stringy if you don't peel it. And then I'll chop it into sections like this, and then either steam it or boil it and serve it like asparagus, maybe with hollandaise sauce or with a poached egg and some brown butter. And it's really, really nice, or just as a side vegetable. Once the flowers have opened up completely, like this one here, and I tend to find that the stems can go a little bit woody. So there's so many things you can do with this plant. So you can have it as a side vegetable like that. You can use the flower buds, which I showed you. You can use the leaves kind of sparingly in a salad because they're pretty strong and aromatic. Also, if you're in a soup, good. You can pickle the stems, and we do risottos with the young stems and leaves. If I was going to make a risotto, I'd really look for the very sort of youngest leaves that are coming up. I'd use these sort of leaves. I'd chop the stems up and put them in at the beginning of the risotto, and then the leaves would go in at the end. Okay, I'm back in the kitchen. I have got an enormous pile of Alexander's to process here. So what I'm going to do today is make a dish of Alexander's, tinned tomatoes, rosemary, bay and salty black olives, and that's going to be braised in the oven for quite a long time, both the stems and the leaves. And this is a dish that Rob Wright cooks here. He's a great chef who I work with, and it's something we cook a lot at this time of year, and then also in the autumn, and we serve it with game, and we serve it with pasta and with polenta. And it's really good. And even though the flavour of the Alexander's can be very strong, that long slow cooking with the other strong flavours to hold up to it, it works really well. Okay, so I'm making a big baking tray of this Alexander's dish. I've just picked some rosemary and some bay leaves from the garden, and I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven with a load of really nice olive oil. Okay, and just let the flavours of those herbs and the aromatic oils of those herbs infuse into that oil. Okay, I've just chopped a load of stems. I haven't peeled them. I've just taken the most succulent stems and I've just sort of roughly chopped them. Okay, so I'm just going to basically saute the onions with the chopped Alexander's. Just going to cook these up with the herbs. We'll give it some salt. Add some nice Cornish sea salt. And I'll let that soften up in the oven. Okay. So the Alexanders and the onion, well, sautéing nicely in the oven, and when they're all soft, I'm going to add tomatoes and the cloves. So here I've got some Alexanders and wild garlic leaves. At the end, I'm going to chop these leaves up and then add the leaves into that mixture.
Oh, often. What are you doing?
Can I give you one on the fire, please, sir?
Okay.